Hey family, so this is a new subdivision that's going up, and we are looking to get some properties. We're looking to get some properties. 2023 is going to be a different scene on my channel. I'm going to show you some of the houses we're going to go into, but we're about to jump into this real estate game on a serious level. Okay, so I am out here. All of this is about to be developed. So we have some land that we're looking at, and basically I'm looking at these different floor plans and then see, just try to put our numbers together. I know the wind is kind of high out here, guys, but I wanted to show you this. Get it? I'm trying to exit the car. Oh, okay. So what do I do? Two shots. Guys, this is a new subdivision that's going up, and the houses are going fast. So if you want in, you have to contact my girl, okay? We are in like one of the, I want to say, best neighborhoods, best city in Georgia. We're in Decatur, Georgia. Woo. Okay, and these subdivisions are going up over here. They're just getting more popular to live in this area. It's very quiet and serene. So if you love that kind of atmosphere when you're at home, this is definitely the place to be. So definitely contact my girl, Kedra Mac, the mortgage queen. Okay, contact my girl Kedra Mac, the mortgage queen, and get yourself in one of these houses. This is a brand new subdivision, and guess what? You're so close to Mall of Georgia. Okay, and guys, even if you're not in Georgia, you can definitely still contact us, because guess what? She's about to put up a whole subdivision in Tennessee. That's right, Tennessee. So we're about to be all out there, and it doesn't matter where you're located, we can help you out. This is huge. I love this bathroom. Oh my gosh, look at the walk-in closet. Okay guys, they got True Religion freaking men's slippers. I need those for Patrick. They got two walk-in closets. So this is the part of this house that I like. I like this bathroom with the, not Abigail, what's the name of the other one? This bathroom, but to put it with the that house bedroom. Okay. Yeah, this bedroom is too small. The other one had this big size plus that extra piece. Look at that. Damn. That's such Who made you? What company you from? I'm trying to find out what company this is from. Okay. I'll find out when I get home. But guys, this is beautiful. So this is the master bedroom in the the show house. This is the bathroom, the vanity, everything is very huge. I love it. But the other house had an extra room on the master, so I would more prefer that. So this is 5 bedrooms. You have the tall ceilings at the entry. You have that accent wall going down the stairs. We have these other rooms. That's the washroom. This is another bedroom that has a full bathroom. So this one has a full bathroom. It has a closet, walk-in closet. So it's more like a kid's room. And you come out this way. So this is beautiful. And here go another room as soon as you reach up the stairs. This one, they have it decorated as a kid's room. And look at the wall. I don't know if I like that pink though. It looks like Pepto-Bismol. Like I said, I like this one, but I prefer the other one's the master bedroom itself. I thought that was the way. And I love the detailing in the ceiling. Okay. Okay guys, so this is an empty house that we went into. This one just sold. She did the loan for someone for this one, and this one just sold. So basically I'm getting ideas. I'm getting ideas and getting inspired. Oh my god, this one makes me want to buy a new home. Ah, my fireplace. Also, what we're doing is some videos so that she can post on her social media, showing the different properties that are available, that she have help financed. Guys, she have helped people who literally didn't even have score nothing. Like, don't even try fixing stuff before going to her. Just contact her and she'll show you how to do it. Very large master bedrooms. You have a sitting area in the master bedroom. Double vanities. A garden tub. Private toilet room. A shower with glass doors. And a large walk-in closet. Coming into the bedroom, you have double doors. So guys, there's actually 5 bedrooms. Up here you have a big landing, and you have a powder room right there, and your washroom is upstairs. Okay family, so that's it for this week's video. Like I told you last week, or in my last video, I told you that I will definitely be looking at some real estate. So we have already started. We're getting the year swinging hard, and I'm definitely going to share this journey with you guys. Again, don't hesitate to contact my girl Keedra Mack. She will get you right. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down in the comment section. Guys, remember, this year we are pressing forward. Design for life.